Dowdani. Chapter number 3, clauses. How many exercises have we solved? I had taught you what are dependent clauses, what are independent clauses. Had we underlined this? Yes, we had underlined the noun clauses. Remember? Underline the noun clauses. This we had done. Do you all remember? Yes. Do you all remember or not? Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
This exercise we had solved. We had underlined the noun clauses. Whatever I earn, when he will return, whatever we want. याद है? We had underlined
Yes,
the
sir.
noun clauses. Then we had written the answers for exercise 2 also. Yes, I had written the answers over here 1, 2, 3, 4, and all these answers, if you remember. From here, we had to select the option, and I think only one student was giving answers. Remember or not?
Yes, sir. Remember.
So, exercise 2, according to me, we have solved. It is strange that we both think alike. Only one student was giving the answer at that time, and this exercise 2 we had completed. Now we will see what are adjective clauses. Did we read adjective clauses also? Had we learned about adjective clauses also? Had we learned about adjective clauses also? Can you tell me? Hello. Had we
Yes,
learned
sir.
about adjective clauses?
Yes, sir.
So exercise 3 have we solved or not?
Not sold, sir. Sorry.
See, in within 6 minutes we will do the quick revision of clauses. What are clauses? Yesterday I taught you independent clause, dependent clause, and then three types of clauses are there. Dependent clauses में three subtypes है noun, adjective, adverb. That also we will revise quickly now. So all of you be attentive. This video has no voice. I will speak and you will understand. Okay? Are you all listening?
Yes, sir.
So I am playing the video and there is no audio. I will speak. What are clauses and their types? So what is a clause? First of all, it is a group of words. It has one subject, one verb. Both are there. It makes complete sense by itself. It is meaningful. Okay. See, he plays cricket regularly. Is this a clause? Is this a clause? He plays cricket regularly. क्या ये clause हुआ? Is it a clause? Do you think it is a clause? Hello. Is it a clause? Am I audible?
Yes, sir. It is close.
We have to satisfy the three conditions. See, Let's see. It is a group of words. Yes, it is a group of words. Subject is given, verb is given, so subject verb combination is also there. So yes, second condition satisfied. And does it make complete sense by itself? Is it meaningful? Yes. So all the three conditions are satisfied, hence it is a clause. Understood? Clauses are mainly of two types. Main are independent and dependent clause. Independent clause means what? It makes complete sense by itself. It does not need any other clause. It is complete by itself. It is meaningful. You may sit. Subject is there. Verb is given. Sit. It makes complete sense. So it is independent clause. It does not need anything else to complete the meaning, right? What is dependent clause? Subject verb combination is there. No complete thought. It does not have complete meaning. It dependent on independent clause. It does not make complete sense by itself. See, subject is there, verb is there. It is subject, it has subject verb. It does not make complete thought. Does it convey complete meaning? Is it meaningful? Is it meaningful? Wherever you like. Does it convey the
Yes.
complete thought? पूरा सेंटेंस है, मीनिंग निकलता है इसका कुछ? Wherever you like. Is it complete? Do you think it is complete? Is it complete?
No, sir.
No. So it is called dependent clause. Wherever you like. इसमें subject verb combination तो है, but it does not make complete sense, right? So it is dependent clause. अब इसके आगे independent clause add कर देंगे, then it will be complete sentence. See, you may sit wherever you like. Now it is complete. So we have added independent clause with dependent clause. Now it is complete. You understood? See, dependent clauses के three types है, which I told you yesterday. Noun clause, adjective clause, adverb clause. These are three types. So first we had learnt about noun clause yesterday. Are you all listening or not? How many are listening?
Sir, how much was the listening? Sir, is bus.
Okay, only you two are listening. So three students. Only three? Okay. Four students. Only four from the whole class. Then how will others understand? Chalo, let us see. They will watch the recording because it is their problem. Noun clause is a group of words. Noun clause कैसे बनता है? Group of words and it does not convey the complete thought. Subject verb दोनों होगा. Subject verb will be there. It will act as a noun in the sentence. I fear that I will fail. That I will fail वो एक noun clause है. How do you know that? Subject is there, verb is there. Whole clause, it is acting as a noun. It is modifying fear. I fear what? That I will fail. That you have come pleases me. So that you have come is a noun clause. It acts as a subject for the verb pleases. It does the work of a noun. What is adjective clause? Group of words, it has subject verb combination. It acts as an adjective. It describes noun. It will give more meaning to the noun. The umbrella which has a broken handle is mine. Which has a broken handle is an adjective clause. It has a subject, it has a verb, it is describing the noun umbrella. Main noun क्या है यहाँ पे? Umbrella. Now which umbrella is mine? Which umbrella which has a broken handle? तो वो अम्ब्रेला का डिस्क्रिप्शन है कि उसका हैंडल ब्रोकन है. सो विच हैज अ ब्रोकन हैंडल, दैट इज डिस्क्रिप्टिव, दैट इज डिस्क्रिप्शन फॉर अम्ब्रेला, सो इट इज एडजेक्टिव क्लॉज. यू अंडरस्टूड? It is describing umbrella. When the describing words are given, it is called adjective clause, right? Do you all understand?
Yes, sir. Understand.
See one more example. He met a girl whose eyes were blue. Which kind of girl whose eyes were blue? So that is describing the girl. Subject is given eyes, verb is given blue. It is describing the noun girl. Girl कैसी है? Whose eyes were blue. So that is adjective clause. Whose eyes were blue. Next is adverb clause. Please understand the exercises will come based on this. Group of words, subject and verb दोनों होंगे इसमें भी. It will act as an adverb. It will modify verb, adjective or another adverb. They rested when the evening came. When the evening came is a clause. It is a subject and a verb came. And it is describing the verb rested. So it is an adverb clause. I will give you a map so that you can find a way. So that you can find a way is an adverb clause. Subject you, verb find. It is describing the action of giving, act of giving. It does the work of an adverb. See, what is adverb clause? Did you understand what is adverb clause? It acts as an adverb. You have to ask the question when, why, where, how. All these are the keywords. They rested. When did they rest? It shows adverb of time. When the evening came. I will give you a map. Why will I give you a map? Why? So that you can find a way. So when you ask the question why, you will get adverb clause. When you ask the question when, you will get adverb clause. You ask the question how, where. All these are the keywords. How, when, where, why. When you ask these questions, you will get adverb clause. Understood? Did you all understand? No one is answering means no one understood. Did you all understand or not? Hello?
Yes, sir.
What? Yes, sir. No one is understanding. Did you all understand? Hello? Did you all understand? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Now, who will read this? Examples? Who will read this? Anyone? Who will read sentences? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Read the sentences.
Hello.
Read. Hello. Read the sentences I said.
People who are honest are blessing to the society. He is the person whom you wish to meet. This is the house that Nora built. This is the place where he was born. The time when we will arrive is not known. The reason why he shifted is still a mystery. The highlighted clauses are adjective clauses as they function as adjectives. The clause concretors in the sentence are who, whom, that, where, when, and why. An adjective clause answers the question which to the noun is the sentence.
Okay. The most important word is which. You ask the question which, and the adjective clause will begin with these words who, whom, that, where, which, when, why. But you have to ask the question which. For example, which people are blessing to the society? Which people who are honest? He is the person whom you wish to meet. Which person he is? Which person he is whom you wish to meet? That person. So that is adjective clause. Okay. You have to ask the question which, and you will get adjective clause. Adjective clause functions as an adjective in the sentence. So adjective clause, you have to ask the question which, right? In this exercise, you have to underline the adjective clauses. Just go through the exercise. I will ask you in 2 minutes. We have to underline the adjective clauses.
Hello, 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 sir. Hello, hello.
Daudani.
Sir, your voice is not coming now.
Array, yes. Sorry for that. It's now is it audible?
Yes, sir.
So I had intentionally played that video so that you understand what are adjective clauses. See, like this, you have to underline adjective clauses. Now tell me what is the adjective clause in the second sentence quickly. He never does anything that goes against his conscience. What should you underline? What is adjective clause? So in girls, they were telling me the answers within 2 minutes. They were giving answers of the exercise. What is adjective clause? It starts with the connectors, with these words. So what is adjective clause in the second sentence? Quick. Hello. See, now your voice is not coming. What is adjective clause in the second sentence? Hello. Now am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
yes, sir.
That goes against his conscience. Now what is adjective clause in the third sentence? Do you like the toy that I bought you? What is adjective clause? Do you like the toy? Which toy? Ask the question which for adjective clause. Which toy? Seriously, in girls, they were giving answers within a minute. Why are you not answering? Next, I do not know the time when he will arrive. Which time? I don't know. Which time? So, what is adjective clause? Hello. What is an adjective clause in this sentence? Anyone? When he will arrive. I purchased all the medicines that doctor prescribed. इसमें adjective clause क्या आएगा? What is adjective clause? That the doctor prescribed. You have taught me a lesson which I will never forget. What is adjective clause in this?
Which I will never forget.
Very good. He moved back to the village where he was born.
where he was born.
Yes. The man who looks after the cash in the bank must be honest. So, which man must be honest? Which man is honest?
The cash in the bank. Who looks after
Who?
the cash in the bank must be on.
नहीं, मैंने क्या क्वेश्चन पूछा? Which man must be honest? कौन सा मैन ऑनेस्ट है? Who looks after the cash in the bank?
Okay.
The plan that I proposed was accepted by all. Which plan was accepted by all? Which plan that I
The pro-
proposed? The dog that bites does not bark. Which dog does not bark? Which dog?
dog that bites.
Now in exercise 4, you have to write the correct answers in the blanks. Come on, tell me the first answer. Adjective clauses are given, you have to select. This is the book dash.
That everyone liked.
This is the book that everyone liked, and we can also write one more answer. This is the book that won the prize. That also we can write. And we can write Akash is the boy dash. यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? Akash is the boy dash.
Who tell lies?
ठीक है. But we can write this one also. Akash is the boy who is much admired by all. Means loved by everyone. So like this we can write the answers. You try to solve exercise 4 because today I wanted to complete exercise 4 and 5 but hardly anyone was giving the answer. See in the adverb clause, how will you underline adverb clause? Underline the adverb clause. You will ask the question when, where, why, how. Take a lamp because the night is dark. Why should we take a lamp? Why? Because the night is dark. Place it where you can find it easily. Where will you place it? Where will you place it? Where you can find it easily. So can you try exercise 5? Can you underline the adverb clauses? I already explained adverb clauses in that video. It was there. Can you underline the adverb clauses in exercise 5? Like this? All of you? Can you try? Everyone? Can you all try it? Hello? Am I audible? Am I audible? Am I audible or not? Hello?
No, sir.
Am I audible? These are adverb clauses. You ask the question when, where, why, how. अभी मैंने वीडियो में समझाया what are adverb clauses.
No, sir, your
Can
voice
you
is not
underline
coming.
adverb clauses? Okay. We will continue in the next lecture. Bye everyone.